This is going to blow your mind. Imagine revolutionizing defense technology with your innovation. Introducing the Blue UAS Challenge 2024. Hosted by the Defense Innovation Unit and the National Security Innovation Network, this challenge is all about propelling unmanned aerial systems into the future. We're seeking the brightest minds and most innovative companies to submit groundbreaking platforms, components, and software. Whether you're into first-person view, Group 1, 2, or 3 platforms, we want your tech. Think your solution has what it takes? Prove it at our demo event this November at the Marine Corps Air-Ground Combat Center in California. Become a finalist, and you could land a spot on the prestigious DIU Blue UAS List or Framework list. Don't miss this chance to make a real difference. Apply now and be part of the next wave of defense innovation. Visit the link in the description for more details. Judging criteria. Applications and pitches will be judged on 7 major criteria, as well as other critical criteria identified by DoD users. Technical capabilities as listed on the technical capabilities list below. Team, company viability. Commercialization, viability in non-defense markets. Quality of demonstration. Demonstrates how the technology solves one or more of the defined technical capability areas. Operational effectiveness. Proposed solution aligns with listed technical capabilities. Cost and scalability. Cost of proposed solution is feasible for adoption and scalable by capability. End user feedback. Feedback from operational end users from their observation of performance and their hands-on capability testing. Remember, innovation drives progress. Let's create the future of defense technology together.